Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 25th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research, make your own decisions. And yes, today I am filming from an undisclosed location, so my internet might not be as good as it usually is. So Tesla closed a little bit down today, down $7.95, down 1.17% at 671.87. Post market, we seem to be up 53 cents. Okay, 671.87. What does it look like on the chart? Looking at the chart is always important. If not, it's just a number. So basically, we have a red candle today. If you notice, the red candle, the body of the red candle started exactly on the resistance that we have drawn, since the beginning of last year, I would say. It started at the beginning of last year, even though we drew it this year. So the body of the candle is right smack on it. So this is yet confirming that resistance. And we came down to 667. 667 was the low of yesterday. And today we are having pretty much the same low at 668. So basically, nothing to worry about. We have still collected what we have gained yesterday. Of course, yesterday it went super high, but the low of yesterday was 667, and it's pretty much the same low that we have today. So basically, we have not lost anything per se in terms of gains. So if Tesla remains above 667 and also above the resistance, the diagonal resistance that we have here, everything is still good. Let's go to the 1 hour chart to see if we cannot understand something else. Okay, so 1 hour chart, so 9:30 is right here. So we opened right next to 691, went down. We have a longer wick at the bottom than at the top. So during the first hour today, we could see that there was a bit, a significant buying pressure, I would say. But then things fell apart a little bit. So second hour down, third hour down, but then we stabilized ourselves. And during the last 4 hours, the price was pretty much flat. So the bodies of the candles, the colored part, either red or green, is pretty thin. So this means that either people are going on vacation or that there are not much volatility. The price is staying pretty much the same. Going back to the daily chart, it just takes a minute or two more. Daily chart, stochastic is at 79, still pretty high. MACD is getting close to crossing over positive for the orange line. We are at minus 1.21 for the orange line. DMI is still very, very nice. Yes, a little bit of a decrease on the green line, which indicates the bullish force of the stock, and the red line indicates the bearish down force in the stock. So the bearish force in the stock went down, as well as the bullish force a little bit. So basically, what this means is that we are going sideways. We are basically even Steven. So nothing to worry about. I'm just happy that we stayed above 667 and also above the trend line. So let's wait until next week to see if we can still maintain those gains that we've had. And based on what I see today, I am confident that we should be able to sustain those gains. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I publish a Palantir and Tesla video every single day. Thank you for liking, commenting. I read all of your comments and respond to most of them. We have a Patreon account. We have a Discord server. We have a TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.